How to hide following list on Instagram. So first, go to your Instagram account and then just tap on your profile here at the bottom right. Now there are two things here that we can do. The first one is just go to your profile, which is this one, and then you can just tap on the three lines here at the top right. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now tap on the three lines. Now just scroll down and look for account privacy, tap on it, and then here you can just tap on private account, and then that's the first one. Okay, now the second one is just go back and now scroll down and look for help. Now tap on help, and then tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking at the bottom. Now tap on include and continue. Then from here, just tell them that you want to hide your following list. Okay, and then just tap on send and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.